Welcome back to Everything Tesla Stock, everyone. Tesla is one of the most valuable corporations in the world right now, and its stock price is rising steadily. With 11 straight quarters of profit and long-term production targets, the top automaker in the U.S. has already shown its worth. Due to its impressive performance, the corporation regularly gives its investors enormous profits. In fact, several analysts predict that Tesla's stock will keep rising in the future. We are going to discuss the 2025 valuation of $10,000 worth of Tesla stock today. Does buying Tesla stock today ensure a stable financial future? You should view this video if you're interested in learning more. To be informed about what Tesla is doing, remember to like, subscribe, and switch on notifications before we move further. We can all agree that, looking back over the past few years, the history of Tesla's stock has been somewhat of a roller coaster. There is no denying the automaker's difficulties and sporadic failures. Nonetheless, given their ongoing belief in the company's long-term disruptive potential, Tesla's investors appear devoted. Tesla's stock ultimately fell by almost 12% in 2022 following CEO Elon Musk's Twitter activities. Gary Black, a co-founder of the Future Fund, believes Tesla is still worth twice as much as it is now, despite these volatility. He backs up his claims with fundamental arguments. According to the Tesla Bull, the company will reach $60 in earnings per share by 2025 with a price-to-earnings ratio of 40. At present prices, this translates to $400 per share, which will accumulate to $1,500 per share, a huge increase from the current price of over $700. Pierre Ferragu of New Street Research is optimistic about Tesla by 2030, aside from Black. According to his research, by 2030, Tesla's market valuation is expected to reach an astounding $10 trillion. Ferragu has an excellent forecast for the EV automotive company, even though this may be optimistic for 2025. This might have a big influence. Will Tesla be valued at such a high amount? Based on the data, Tesla is expected to grow at a significant rate since it is on track to reach previously unheard-of levels of growth, including 20% of the automobile market. Ferragu also projects that by 2030, Tesla will have produced about 20 million cars, with an average selling price of $35,000. Car sales would rise to $700 billion as a result. Moreover, true AI-powered insurance revenue streams, $1.5 billion. Fully autonomous software, $35, $70 billion. And Tesla Energy, $250 billion, provide option value. Thus, based on an 8 to 10 times multiple on projected sales, the research projects Tesla's staggering $1 trillion in total revenue in 2030, valuing the business at an unthinkable $10 trillion. It is noteworthy that there are currently more than 1 billion shares of Tesla's stock. In 2030, Tesla would be worth about $9,700 per share if the number of shares stays the same. Ferragu's optimistic projections may be contested by many, but the analysis cautions that his figure should not be interpreted as a forecast or a guide for investing. Still, a lot of people predict Tesla to have phenomenal growth in the upcoming years. Online forecasting platforms have optimistic outlooks for Tesla's stock in addition to professional forecasts. Wallet Investor projects that the price of a Tesla share will start at about $2,086 at the beginning of 2025 and rise to $2,500 by the end of the year. Furthermore, according to Coin Price Forecast, Tesla's stock will rise by 211% from its present levels to $2,097 a share by the middle of the year and $2,310 by the end of 2025. Elon Musk, the CEO, has given ARK Invest's forecast that Tesla's share price might hit $3,000 by 2025, significant backing. Musk agreed with ARK's price prediction in an email to Tesla staff that Electric was able to receive. He attributed this to Tesla's excellent execution and subsequent turnaround after setbacks. Senior equities analyst Dan Ives of Redbush highlights the importance of Tesla in the larger market backdrop, comparing it to Apple as one of the most important stocks. In a macroeconomically unstable climate, Apple and Tesla continue to be the subjects of intense attention. In light of these differing predictions and recommendations, what would $10,000 worth of Tesla shares be worth in 2025? Various analysis and estimates from web platforms suggest multiple possible values for the price of Tesla's shares in 2025. There's no denying that the top automaker in the U.S. is expected to experience rapid expansion in the upcoming years. When deciding whether or not to buy in Tesla right now, investors can use these projections and predictions as a reference. Let's move past forecasts and talk about the main variables that affect stock prices. First, investor perception of the company affects the stock price. Stock prices are significantly influenced by expectations regarding the company's performance. Stock price fluctuations are also influenced by actual assets like patents, real estate holdings, and sales exclusivity. Innovation is Tesla's strong suit, as seen by its state-of-the-art electric cars that transform the transportation industry. Tesla continuously works to offer cutting-edge products and services, solidifying its place in the industry. Predictions about the stock market are also influenced by outside variables like interest rates. Interest rates that are lower generally pique investor interest and encourage risk-taking, which may result in larger profits. Similar effects on market mood are produced by significant economic and political developments, which affect changes in the stock market. Even when big businesses like Tesla are facing economic difficulties, the company's inventive CEO, Elon Musk, and strong leadership maintain Tesla's position in the automobile industry. Future stock price explosion is made possible by Tesla's innovation and steady performance. In conclusion, investing $10,000 in Tesla now might, a few years later, result in large gains. Experts and analysts believe Tesla will stay at the top of the electric vehicle market, which bodes well for the company's stock. Before making an investment, investors should carefully weigh these considerations since understanding the market is essential. What do you think will happen to Tesla? Do you think these hopeful forecasts are accurate? Please comment below with your ideas. Please click on any of the videos that are displayed on your screen while you are here. I'll see you over there. Music. This revised version keeps the original text's coherence and flow while fixing grammatical faults and strengthening sentence structure. Only the common stock component of the permitted shares of preferred stock will be altered by the amendment. According to Tesla, we are submitting to our stockholders a vote to adopt the inclusion of certain provisions and the proposed amendment certificate to increase the number of authorized shares of common stock by 4 billion. The fact that renowned U.S. business entrepreneur Larry Ellison, an EV board member, owns 1.5% of the company's shares is another compelling revelation made by Tesla in the 14A filing. Mr. Ellison plans to step down from his position on the board. Although Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, owns 23.5% of the company, Vanguard Group owns 6% of the shares, making him a substantial stakeholder. When Elon Musk purchased Twitter, a massive social media network, he sold off a significant portion of his Tesla stock. Tesla has a market capitalization of $720 billion US dollars, and its shares currently trade for $703 US dollars. After the split, Tesla stock will be roughly $233 US dollars per share if there are no significant fluctuations in the price, and the 3-to-1 split is approved. Additionally, there has been discussion about Tesla wishing to put the idea of reducing the board of directors' tenure to a vote among its shareholders. The board of directors members will serve 2-year terms rather than 3-year terms if this request is granted. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below regarding this 3-to-1 stock split. Is it a wise strategy given the state of the economy right now? We appreciate your time, and please remember to click on one of the 2 videos that are displayed. I'll see you over there. Music.